Any business owner knows the pain of just missing a sale. After weeks of pitches and demos, chatter and charm, the prospect drops out of the sales funnel without buying. Keep on watching as we discuss one sales funnel type and know if it's the right one for your business. Before we begin, hit that thumbs up button and share this video to help us reach more people. Let's go. A sales funnel is the marketing term for the journey potential customers go through on the way to purchase. It helps you understand what they are thinking in each stage of the purchasing journey. There are several steps to a sales funnel, usually known as the top, middle, and bottom of the funnel. Although these steps may vary depending on a company's sales model. The question is, do you need a sales funnel for your business? The simplest answer is yes. There are different types of sales funnels that you can use, but in this video, we're going to talk about just one: VSL Funnel, or Video Sales Letter Funnel. A VSL funnel is a marketing strategy that uses video sales letters to drive customers to a landing page where they can purchase a product or service. The video sales letter is used to create interest and persuade potential customers to learn more about the product or service on the landing page. By using a VSL funnel, businesses can increase their conversion rate and improve their sales. To put it in simpler words, you send someone to watch a video, and at the end of the video, you give them a call to action so that they can click and do the next step. Video sales letter is a buyer funnel type. This funnel has 4 pages: VSL, plus, order form, one-time offer, downsell, and offer wall. The first page here is the video sales letter order form. So they watch the video, and then the order form opens up with their credit card information. Afterward, you take them to an upsell page or a one-time offer page. You can upsell them some of the products or services. They can do a one-click upsell where they click a button and it builds their credit card. If they say no to that, you can offer them a downsell. So, let's say maybe you offer a payment plan for a downsell. Or, if you're selling a physical product, here you can offer a digital version. And then from there, you take them to an offer wall, which is basically a thank you page. You thank them for their purchase, and then you give them links to the other products and services that you sell. If you're a small business, then you know that it's important to invest in marketing tools that will help you reach your target audience. And if you're looking for a powerful way to efficiently market your products or services, then you should consider using a VSL funnel. Here are some examples on how to use the video sales funnel in your business. If you are selling as an author, speaker, coach, or consultant, take your sales copy and turn it into a video sales letter, pitching people on your main offer. Then, upsell a more expensive info product and downsell a payment plan. Your offer wall would include more free or low-ticket products. If you are selling in e-commerce, use this funnel to sell e-commerce products that are more expensive. Your upsell would be an offer to get more of the same thing. The downsell may include a payment plan. If you are selling business to business, find your competitors' customers and ask why they didn't buy from you. Then, take that feedback and create a VSL to sell your main product. Your upsell would sell a seat to your next corporate event about your product. Your downsell would sell cheaper seats further back. If you are selling in network or affiliate marketing, take your MLM's sales message and turn it into a VSL to sell the opportunity. The upsell would offer the product, and the downsell would offer a payment plan. If you are selling professional services, create a VSL offering either a discount for your services or a bundle of your service with other training or info products you have created. Your upsell would be offering continuity, and downsell would offer a payment plan if they agree to schedule a follow-up session. If you are selling in a retail, brick-and-mortar business, create a VSL selling a bundle of your products or services. Then, your upsell would ask them to buy a higher-priced item with a coupon for a second in the future. Your downsell would offer a to-pay option. That is what a video sales letter funnel is and how it works. But before this video ends, do you want to build your successful online business without breaking a sweat? We have the right software for you. Introducing Cloud Funnels. Cloud Funnels is an all-in-one platform that can help you build unique funnels, landing pages, memberships, corporate sites, and more in just a few clicks. It is the easiest funnel builder with profit-boosting features you won't find anywhere else. Cloud Funnels boasts of its easy-to-use drag-and-drop designer. No complex DNS setup required. No hosting hassles. Save time with 30+ ready-made templates. And make free and paid memberships. You do not require any coding knowledge to use this platform, making it a win over its competitors because it is cost-effective and effortless to use. Integrates with all the major CRMs and autoresponders. and offers many free plugins which will make your work easier and smoother. In short, CloudFunnels is all you need to set up your dream site. Make CloudFunnels your business assistant today. Go to yournextfunnel.in and take advantage of its awesome features. I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel so you'll never miss anything from us. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.